Okay, so D has 2 layers to it, and if it's got more than 1 layer, just don't worry about the outside layer until the very end. This makes the question a little bit longer, it doesn't make it any harder. But this inside piece, this is what's new to us because this is an inverse question. So this is saying what angle has a sine of negative square root of 3 over 2? And even going around the unit circle, there's 2 times where sine is negative square root of 3 over 2. Again, the better you know the unit circle, the less time you spend on that. The better you know the unit circle, the less mistakes you make there. You really need to know the unit circle. Second step is we don't want multiple answers, we want one answer. So we need to think about the range of inverse sine, and even better if you draw it in, it is negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. It helps you memorize that. It helps you see that this location doesn't give you your answer and this location does. And we need to make sure we name it between these. So don't call it 5 pi over 3, call it negative pi over 3. Now to finish this question, now I can worry about the outside part. I just want to know what's the secant at that spot. Well, secant's the reciprocal of cosine, and at negative pi over 3, cosine is a half, so secant should be 2. So the final answer to that is 2. Okay, anybody else that was going to ask about D have something more specific? Also, by the way, you could type all this in your calculator. Again, our quiz and test will be no calculator. Our test might be part calculator, but if you want to do 1 over the cosine of all of this stuff, if your calculator is in radian mode, even your calculator can do all that and tell you that it's 2.